ki lightly ki autonomous district council kila panpor na ka Sorkar Jylla ban Khmih Bniah Halor ka jingtho balapha ada ulat ka Jylla Halor ka jing pentrekam ya ki Kyndon an Code of Criminal Procedure khat khandai spa nyopulai but Code of Civil Procedure CPC khat khandai spa pra hakeleng ka Jylla Meghalaya ki klit nong yalam jong ka KHADC JHADC but GHADC kila ya kendo ya menteri rangba ka Jylla Konrad ki sangma ban penpau ya ka jing songkhia Halor ka jing sha penduk bor jong ki district council court na markani ka jing tho Deputy CEM ka GHADC unikman marak ulayathu syakin nong thok khubor hadin ka jing yalang bat menteri rangba da ka ba ong ba barot lightly ki ADC ki haban pha ya ka jubab jong ki maroi sya menteri rangba ka Jylla Halor ka benta ba ki yeng na ka benta ka jing terwa ban penteri kam ya ka CRPC bat CPC hakeleng ka Jylla hakoi pat kaliang menteri rangba ulo ong ba kamdon kanu ka jingkeli Halor ka jingkeli Halor ka jing duk bor jong ki district council.
Now we are trial in the village court. Village court don't have any CRPC or CPC. There is a Laskar and judicial officer there. They should not take any law. They should not take any trial applying CPC and CRPC. After long discussion, we could not come to the conclusion since we got the notification by judge itself. So we have asked some more time. More 48 hours has been asked by us, then time has been given.
And that whatever steps are being taken right now and are being suggested by the government is only to regularize the overall functioning of the judiciary, where the separation of the executive from the judiciary has taken place. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner.
Kakam Meghalaya